I think before we start to do the coding, it's better for us to scratch out the key that we're going to code. And first we're going to create a master page, and with the two HTML button, and call the page 1 and the page 2. And below then we need two content placeholder. Content placeholder 1, and this one is the content placeholder 2. Content placeholder in the master page will hold the content from the other page, and you can tell each of your content control on your page where to place the content. And this content control do not need to be in the order, so you can create a two page 1 and another one is page 2 with two content like this. For example, here got some content called ABC and SYZ, and here it's going to be 1, 2, 3 or 5, 6, 7. So our system going to do something like this. When you press on page 1, the page 1 content will display over here like this, and when you press on the page 2 and page 2 content, we're going to test over the page 1 content and display out 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. That's why this one is called the master page. Okay, now we can start to write the code. Start the Visual Studio and select the create a new project. Set the language to C# and search for the ASP.NET. Select the web application.NET framework under the C# language and double click, and then give a name to the project. I will name this one my master page, and I will set this the project into my desktop, and the framework is 7.2 is fine. Click on this create button, and it will create a folder, empty folder for you, this one. Okay, next select the web font and click, and it's going to create a project for you, and this is going to take a few minutes, and it's going to create a folder and the necessary file for you. I'm going to pause this video until it's complete all the settings. You will get the list of the folder and the file on the right hand side here, and this is your project name, my master page. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use all these folder and file here, so I will going to delete some of them to make the thing simple. I will keep this default package and web, and we select on this default.sps. This default SPS is the file served as the default web page for Microsoft IIS servers. If the user is open out a request to this site, this page, the default.sps, will load the first for you. And here there's some HTML content here, so I'm going to delete all of them and I'm going to write myself. Next, we need to set a master page. We're not going to use this master page, we're going to set our own master page. So right click on this project and select add and a new item. Under this Visual C# web, go scroll down, look for this web form master page. This one, you click on it and the extension will become a master, and change the name to master page, and click on the add button, and you're going to add this master page into your solution explorer. And as you see over here, you need to change this master page file to master page, so that this master page will be loaded by the system on the user request, and this content placeholder ID has to be same as this one. So this is copy and paste over here. So let's say now I put some content over here. This is default page. So now I try to run it, and it will going to print out this this is the default page for me. Okay, let's cross this one. Now let's create some HTML button in the master page. Another page for page, we need to add new item, and select. This time we have to select web form with the master page, and the name is page 1. Enter. Select the master page because we only has one master here, and you're going to create this page 1.asps in the Solution Explorer for you. And as you see over here, the system will automatically link this master page to the master page file in the page 1, and you will assign a content placeholder ID here. So you just write the content inside here. This is the page 1. Then we need to create another one for page 2. Wait form with the master page, and we call it page 2. Enter. And select this master page and click the OK button, and then next here we just type the content. This is the page 2. Okay, now we try to run this one. Because I run from the page 2, so the page 2 content will show up first. Like this. This is the page 2. If you load this one, it will the system will load from the open out the default page first. And you click on the page 1, it will go to page 1 and page 2 like this. Okay. Maybe we need to do a some styling for this page 1 and page 2 button link here. You can put the some style, and let's say HTYL style, and then select it. That's all. Let's try to run this again for the master page. So I think you will load the default page first. Yeah, like this. Page 1 and page 2. Content page. Sorry, something wrong with this. It should be sorry. This one has to be div. Maybe I give some class, or just say the div. And then this and let's run again. Yeah, like this one. Page 1, page 2. And you can do in let's say you can create another placeholder. I can just copy this one page, and this time the ID has to be is auto string 2, set the 2 for you. And in the page 1 you need to create another one with the same ID too, and maybe this time you can put some create some HTML table. And you need to put make some styling for this table in the master page. is okay now. Let's run the project again. And this time you have this 1 and 2 here. You create on the page 1, it will show you the table, the page 1 content in the table. Create page 2, you don't have that. Yes, I think that's all for this today's tutorial. This what I'm going to show you here is you can create a master page to create some common object, and in the content page holder you can bring in the information for the other page. Okay, thank you.